Hey everyone, hope you're well today. So my name is Jason and I'm going to go through how you enable the developer tab in Excel. So recently I changed my laptop and I had the developer tab enabled, and since I got the new one it no longer is. So today I wanted to write a quick macro and I wasn't able to. So let's go first. Okay, so let's open up Excel. If I get open up the right one, apologies. Okay, so it's open on my other screen. Okay, so open Excel. So you need to customize the ribbon up here. So there's two ways you can do that. The first is go to File, go to Options, and then go to Customize Ribbon here. Or the quicker way will be to go here and anywhere up in here, just right click and go Customize Ribbon. So it'll bring you straight here. So we've got a few different options. We want to go over to this side here on the right hand side. So if you look down through them, we should have a number of options and if you go down to possibly third from the bottom, it's third on mine anyway, and you click tick the developer tab. This should be unticked on yours most likely. Once you do that, click OK, and now you can see up here the developer tab has appeared. You will only need to do this one time. Okay, so click on developer tab, and in here you can look at the macros you already have. You can check any of the COM add-ons, you can get some add-ins, the Excel add-ons. There's lots of things here. It's just mainly to do with VBA and writing macros. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will do my very best to answer them as quickly as possible. Alright, enjoy the rest of your day.